The Pontifical Mission in Jerusalem has restored the headquarters of the Arab Catholic Scouts in the Old City, redeveloping its infrastructure in a step aimed at strengthening the resilience of Jerusalem residents and expanding the services offered to broader segments of society. The project is jointly funded by UNDP and KfW, contributing to supporting the inhabitants of the city and strengthening their ability to face daily challenges.
The year 2025 was challenging in many ways, yet, despite all obstacles, we succeeded in completing and inaugurating the Arab Catholic Scouts Center in the heart of Jerusalem's Old City. After nearly 3 years of planning, fundraising, and implementation, this long-awaited project finally came to life. Today, the center is a vibrant space where Scout members and the wider community gather and enjoy its new facilities.
It is a very important project for the residents of East Jerusalem, finding common space, safe spaces, especially for elderly people and kids, and connecting socially. So we hope that with our funding, people can connect and find a safe space.
This project represents a fundamental stage in the support of the Scout movement in Jerusalem, in particular because the group of the Arab Catholic Scouts is among the most important of the city. Its members contribute to the organization and to the support of most of the ecclesial and social activities in the Old City, carrying out an active role in the service to the community and in the strengthening of the sense of belonging and of volunteering. The group of the Arab Catholic Scouts represents today the only safe refuge for our young people, boys and girls in the Old City. Here they learn responsibility, discipline, educational values, and they accompany the Church in all its activities.
We at KfW Pontifical Mission in the Jerusalem office give great attention to the preparation and building of the next generation of Christian leadership. We believe that the Scouts are the best tool to find and nurture new leaders. For this reason, we try to invest as much as possible in programs, in summer camps and Scouts activities.
Christian Scouting is a pastoral mission of the Church through the laity and is a precious instrument for announcing the kingdom of God.